Well, the objective of this video is to show the students how we can construct a parabola given its focus and a directrix. The definition of the parabola is that it is the locus, that is set of points, which move such that its distance from a fixed point, that is focus, is equal to its distance, that is perpendicular distance, from the directrix, which is a straight line. Let A be the, let's call this point to be the focus, and we label this point as A. As point A. Then we have a fixed line, that is its directrix. So we draw this fixed line, that is the directrix of the given parabola. Let's label this point B and this point as C. So BC is the directrix of the parabola. Let's take any arbitrary point on the line BC. We label it again D and join AD, that is the segment AD we join. Also we construct its midpoint. Let's name this point as, we label this point as E. At E to line AD we draw a perpendicular bisector. So we draw a perpendicular line to AD, which always remains perpendicular to AD and passes through its middle point. Now at D to the directrix BC we draw another perpendicular. The two lines, that is the perpendicular bisect to AD and the perpendicular at the arbitrary point D, meet at the point, this point, which we label as point F. Now clearly, if we join AF to FD, we find that F is on the right bisector of AD. Therefore we can very easily say that AF is equal to FD. Under all conditions, whether D is moved to this side, because EF is always perpendicular, or this side, that is AF is equal to FD. Thus F has the property that its distance from A, that is the focus, is always equal to perpendicular distance from BC, that is the directrix. Hence, by definition, the locus of F will be a parabola whose focus is at A, directrix as BC. Let us find the locus of F, that is the trace of F, under the condition that D moves on BC. So we find the red line, the red curve is described as the parabola. It may be further known that if we draw from A perpendicular to the directrix, we draw a perpendicular, we can see easily, we hide this line, with this this becomes the axis of the parabola, and also this point which we label as G becomes the vertex of the parabola. That completes the construction of the parabola.